Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at one of the coolest tools in Adobe Express, Animate Characters. If you've ever wanted to bring a character to life just by using your voice, this is your chance. It's a super fun and easy way to add personality to your projects and reflections. So let's go ahead and jump in and see how it works. You're going to go to new.express.adobe.com and access your Adobe Express account. Once you're in that account, you're going to hit the big plus button on the home page and look for the tab entitled Quick Actions. In Quick Actions, I want you to scroll down until you find the Animate Characters tool. I'm going to click on Animate Characters, and it's going to bring up your very own animatable character template in which you can choose over hundreds of different styles of characters to be your personal avatar. You can play with the things like the character scale. You can play with the different backgrounds and select anyone you wish. You can even upload your own images as well. We can change sizes from landscape or vertical. We're going to stick with landscape in this case. And for the characters, I'm going to go ahead and choose a kind of shameless plug, some characters myself and my colleague Victor Davila worked on, which are the Bionic Kids. So we're going to go ahead and choose a Bionic Kid Zachary with his prosthetic arm here. And if you have not so great of a microphone, try the Enhance Speech tool. That's going to be able to make your microphone really sound like it's in a recording studio. You can record up to 2 minutes on this, but I'm going to go ahead and hit record and show you how it works. Hey everybody, welcome to Animate Characters, which is an amazing tool if you're looking to create how-to videos, explainer videos, or just even do a fun, quick reflection. Go ahead and try Animate Characters out yourself and see what your possibilities can be. So at this stage, it's going to go ahead and download. We're going to give that a few seconds to download. And once it uploads everything, we're going to go ahead and do one more step. All right, and just in a minute or so, we have our now animated character. Let's take a listen. Hey everybody, welcome to Animate Characters, which is an amazing tool if you're looking to create how-to videos, explain. So really, really cool stuff. The next step we need to do is open in the editor. So we're going to go ahead and click open in the editor, which is going to load it as our artboard for our Adobe Express file. At the very top, as always, I'm going to say my animated character. You want to always name this. As you know, Adobe Express is a cloud-based software. So all of this is going to be available on your mobile device, your tablet, you name it. Once we have this, it's time to share it. Rather than doing a traditional download, for this one, we're going to go ahead and hit the Share tab, and we're going to create a view-only link. So this is really easy to do. You go to Share, View-Only Link, and here we're going to keep Allow Others to Remix turned off. We're going to go ahead and create a link that we can share with anyone. Now, the great part about this link is you don't need Adobe Express to access it. So you can send this out to family members, loved ones, members of a club, and they don't need to go ahead and download Adobe Express for that. Now, creation of this link will take a few seconds, but once you create it, you can go and paste it or share it via email any way you wish. So these are just great starting points to kind of get your message out there in a fun and unique way. Again, it doesn't replace traditional animation, but it is a great starting point for casual social media videos and everywhere in between. So we're going to go ahead and hit copy link here. You can see if we change something in the file, we can always update that. And if I go back to share and open the view link, all of that remains there and saved within the cloud. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I hope you have some fun with Animate Characters. Again, it is one of my favorite tools in Adobe Express. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. We'll see you in the next video.